Hello, my name is Ajay Kadam and today's date is 8th October. Today is Saturday and today's my video topic is on the static keyword in the Java. The static keyword in the Java means first we see where is the static keyword in our code. The first we see that our main method is also static. Static keyword used to a variable method and blocks and nested classes. When we use static keyword before a variable, then the variable will be a static variable, and static keyword is belongs to the classes rather than the object of a class or the object of the variable or the method. When we apply static keyword to a variable, then variable will be known as a static variable. Once means a static variable when we create a static variable means that variable can access to the all the objects and have the common property to that all the objects of that variable, means not a unique not a unique objects for the all that variables, means we can change any object of that variable. That mean that change will reflect to the all the objects of that variables. That's why the static keyword is used for the changing the object at every time. If at the time there is a no static variable before that variable, means we can create the object of the that variable and change in that variable. The change will never be seen to the another objects, means and another one is now static methods. Static methods are also in that statics method there is a we can access the static variable. We cannot access the non-static variable inside our static method, or could not directly call to the non-static variables or static non-static data. In that static methods, we can directly call by the method name. We cannot have to we not need to create an object of that object of that methods. We can directly call to our method if the method is a static method. In the static keyword super keyword or this keyword cannot use in the static, because that refers to the another which is not valid in the static area. There are some another is a static blocks. Means we can directly create a static blocks outside of a main method. Means we can run our program outside of main method, but it is valid up to JVM 1.5. After that it will be not executed. Now the question arises that why our main method is a statics. Main method is a statics because if a main method is a non-static, then we have to call our main method and then our code is executed. But because of the main method is a static, we cannot call or we cannot create an object of main method, and main method is directly executed. Thank you.